Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this sunset eye look with all these pretty purple, pinks, and yellow colors. So I hope you guys like it, and let's get started. So to start off this eye look, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes palette. I'm going to go into this light neon blue here, and I'm going to add that into my crease. Now I'm going to add light purple, and I'm going to add that into my crease and try not to cover up all of the blue. I'm using this NYX single eyeshadow in the shade Ultraviolet, and I'm just adding that into my crease to mix this blue and this purple and add that to my crease. I'm going to go in and use some concealer, so this is just the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just going to apply this to my lids, and I'm really only adding the concealer towards the center of my lids. Now I'm going to go back into the Foil Eyes palette, and I'm going to use this yellow and apply that to the center of my lids. I'm going into this light pink, and I'm adding that on either side of the yellow. To get a little bit more of a vibrant pink, I'm going to go into a shade that's a little bit deeper and brighter, and I'm going to use the NYX Love You So Mochi palette and go into this super bright pink color and add that over top. And to help blend the yellow and the pink, I'm going to add a little bit of this orange right in between. And then don't worry, we're going to add a little bit more yellow. I'm going to go back into the yellow and add that right over top again. Now I'm going to go and use the purple. So I'm going to mix this blue color and the bright purple and add that on either side of the pink. Added it on the outer corner, and then I'm going to add it on the inner corner, but not like the very inner corner, just this inner quarter part of my lids. I'm going into this white color, and I'm going to add that to my brow bone. So now I'm just going to do the rest of my face makeup, and then we will finish up the eyes. So now what I'm going to do is go into Foil Eyes palette again. I'm going to go back into the yellow, add that just to the very center of my lower lash line. I'm going to go into the pink from the Love You So Mochi palette, add that. I'm almost just creating like the same gradient on our lids on my lower lash line. I'm going in and adding the purple. I'm using this NYX white pencil liner. For my inner corners, I'm going to add some of this Tarte Eye Jewels glitter liner, and you can use any liquid glitter liner. This one is gold. I'm going to add that to my inner corners. And then I'm also just going to add a little bit of this to the center of my lids over top of the yellow to really make it pop. Also going to add just a little bit of this over top of the yellow on the bottom as well. I'm going to apply my Ardell Wispies because we need some lashes. I'm not doing any liner because I don't want to take away from this nice gradient sunset look we have going on. Now I'm applying some mascara. This one is from Tarte. Going back in with my liquid glitter liner, and I'm going to just add a little bit of gold glitter onto my lashes, just on the very center on the bottom. It will help to make the glitter on the lower lash line stand out a little bit more. So this is the finished look. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I actually think that this is a really pretty combination of colors. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so you guys can go check out last week's. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all the products that I used in today's video. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!